Good morning. It's time to go to Galveston, Texas. You ready to go, yo?
Already battled. It was kind of an army leading into battle that was already wounded. And then this thing comes in, and the trees, hurricanes, the categories which always relate to wind. And unfortunately, that's what, we attach ourselves. One, I think that lessens, maybe to some degree, how people reacted. Well, wind was the least of the worries of this storm. Of all the threats that hurricanes provide, this was more of a storm surge in storm surge in rain event. And this is a complete departure from that, but it really resonated with people because we all go grocery shopping, right? A deli worker at an Ohio grocery store found herself in some hot water because I guess she must have upset somebody at work because they dropped a dime on her to the loss prevention manager. And then what I hope was a stakeout from the shadows of the seafood section, they figured out that she was taking 3 to 5 slices of ham, snacking on them as she worked. And instead of just firing them, they sat down and calculated that she'd been working there for 8 years, and then times 3 to 5 slices of ham per shift came out to a whopping $9,200. So, yeah. So she's accused of slowly eating nearly $10,000 of pinched ham. And then they called the cops, and she said, yeah.
Call the cops?
Yeah, I know.
Calling the cops, that's baloney. You don't call the cops for something like that. That's a book on Joe Strummer of The Clash and Bob Marley of The Wailers. And in this
we're at our second favorite port in the world, Port Columbus.
A lot of Led Zeppelin fans in the United States, and a lot of stories that have been going around for a long time about Jimmy Page and satanic worship. So, Chris, thank you for helping.
Welcome. Please take your ticket.
How are you tonight?
I'm fantastic. How are you?
Good, thank you. Am I catching you in England?
You are.
Okay. Well, the connection is awesome, so let's feel great about that. We're not getting any of that.
Let's hope it continues.
Yeah, we're not getting any of that international echo where everybody's got to stop, 3 seconds at the end of every sentence.
They've really done a good job of making this a nice terminal.
Yeah,
I like when you're coming into the airport, the blue lighting on the bridge and everything.
Yeah.
That looks cool. Great seat for the classic airplane wing takeoff shot. It's right here, the engine and then the wing behind it. you winning? Are you winning? No.
Alrighty, folks. That ding dong not only means the Wicked Witch is dead, it also means we're off to see the wizard. This Boeing is going. We've been cleared for departure. Double check those seatbelts, folks. Here we go.
It's right on the ground. Where are we going, baby? What are we going to do there? Oh, I thought it was Dallas we were going to.
No.
Houston? All right. I guess you know where. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Test, 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 test.
Alright, folks, that's to the end of boarding. Well, board flight number 4582, we are heading to Houston. Your flight attendants today, we have Dominique, Dustin, and I'm Lisa. We'll be serving you up top. Shortly after takeoff, we will serve complimentary soft drinks, juices, coffee, and tea. We also have alcoholic beverages for purchase with a credit card, debit card, Southwest Airlines coupon. The aircraft is Wi-Fi, so you can surf the internet for $8. However, if you don't want to pay anything, we still have free live TV, like tracking for you guys. If you're sitting in an exit room, make sure you view this information card in your seat and pocket for the list of the requirements. If you do not meet any of it, don't want to do them, still you to be in performing those duties, let us know right now and we can proceed to. So that we can push back, make sure those seatbelts are on the tray tables and seat bags are in the full upright level and your bags are pushed all the way forward. Please let your around your feet clear once forward.
Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Say cheese, honey.
12.
13. 14, 15. What are we doing in Cozumel? It's going to be fun. It's different. Of course, do they feature both? These are with experts, right?
Yeah, like the ladies of photography.
So we're both video or still photography or no. It's gonna be fun, something different to do rather than sit on the beach and drink all day. Not allowed to do that anymore. I do. The question is, do you have everything? If the astronaut doesn't give it away, we're in Houston. We're going to the Houston Space Center, right?
Yep.
It's going to be out of this world.
Ha 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 ha.
See what I did there?
Oh, funny.
I know.
Terrible angle. You should be up here.
No, then I see her butt. You don't want to see her butt, do you? Oh, you do? It's like a hospital corridor from one of those old-time hospitals.
Or it's kind of like the underground in LA.
No, it's pretty though.
23 for medium boarding.
Is that the last one?
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, you're doing a good job. Keep up the good work, honey. This is why it's good to bring some help along with you, right? Special law in Texas about the booze on the ship. How's that go again?
On like the first day, they have a limited bar because they can only serve liquor that's distributed by Texas distributors.
So they do a booze, but it's limited.
Yeah.
Is there a special drink like Texas beer just to get on their good side? Well, we've had Dollar and Thrifty show up at least 3 times, and still waiting on National. I've seen Alamo. What?
We're waiting on Enterprise. There's a budget.
Oh, it's Enterprise.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get there. We'll get there. Don't worry, honey. Don't fret. You can't control the future. The future can't control you. And neither can the past. 2 Hertzes. This camera has 50 times optical zoom, meaning there's no digital distortion. It goes to 100 times digital.